I'm Jagruti and welcome back to my channel Explore the Unexplored. Only one quarter left to end the 2020 year and the fourth of the quarter is wasted because of coronavirus pandemic. It all started in late December of 2019 from the city of Wuhan and spread all over the world. According to World Health Organization's data, there have been 34 million plus confirmed cases of COVID-19, including 1 million plus deaths worldwide. Our COVID warriors like doctors, nurses, health workers, police, cleaners, etc. are handling the situation very bravely and excellently. But do you know, guys, this is not the very first time the world is facing this pandemic situation. So guys, this month we are going to explore about the notable outbreaks that happened throughout the history, and the very first outbreak we are going to explore today is Plague of Athens, which happened nearly 2500 years ago. But before we start the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe it now and don't forget to hit the bell icon. During the Peloponnesian War, that is from 431 to 404 BC, which was Asian-Greek War fought by Delian League led by Athens against the Peloponnesian League led by Sparta. During the second year of the war, that is 430 BC, there was an epidemic that devastated the city-state of Athens in ancient Greece. The plague had serious effects on Athens society and is believed to have entered Athens through the Piraeus, the city's port and sole source of food and supplies. In addition, the leader of Athens died from the plague. The plague killed an estimated 75,000 to 1 lakh people. The plague returned twice more, in 429 BC and in winter of 427 and 426 BC. In overcrowded Athens, the disease killed an estimated 25% of the population. The historian Thucydides, who was present and contracted the disease himself and survived, he described this epidemic in his book History of the Peloponnesian War. He writes of a disease coming from Ethiopia and passing through Egypt and Libya into the Greek world and spreading throughout the wider Mediterranean. A plague so severe and deadly that no one could recall anywhere its like, and physicians themselves died so fastest, having had most contact with the sick. According to Thucydides, the plague of Athens, illness began by showing symptoms in the head as it worked its way through the rest of the body. He also describes the symptoms, that is fever, redness and inflammation in the eyes, sore throats leading to bleeding and bad breath, sneezing, loss of voice, coughing, vomiting, pustules and ulcers on the body, extreme thirst, insomnia, diarrhea. According to Thucydides, not until 415 BC had Athens recovered sufficiently to mount a major offensive. The exact cause of the plague was unknown for many years. The first corroboration of the plague was not revealed until 1994-95, where excavation revealed the first mass grave. In January 2006, researchers from the University of Athens analyzed teeth recovered from mass grave underneath the city and confirmed the presence of bacteria.